Hey everyone! So I hope all of you guys are enjoying the cooler weather here in Suwanee, Georgia. For the last 3 weeks, we've been talking about ADHD and its implications, including ADHD and neurotransmitter imbalance, ADHD and importance of timing, and ADHD and brain organization. If you missed any of these blogs, the links will be below. This week, we hope to summarize it all together. If you have a child with ADHD or you yourself struggle with ADHD, the easiest thing is to rely on the medications to have a quick fix. For those who are on medications and are fine with this option, by all means, keep with what works. This series is all about helping our brains holistically to find balance and focus by supporting the brain to function at its best. So, talking a little bit about overstimulation. We live in a world where most of us are enslaved by too much input from technology such as our smartphones, full of apps that are supposed to make our lives easier. I question if in fact they've created a generation of patients who struggle with ADHD simply from too much distraction in the name of productivity. While technology has made our lives better in many ways, it also created situations where if we are not careful, we can be paralyzed by too much input. I personally feel that we need a filter for our minds, especially for our young children. Reconciling the noise on the internet is a challenge that we all face, and I believe we must practice conscious constraint to protect our minds from nonsense. It's not very hard to binge watch on Netflix or find ourselves scrolling through social media feeds and forget why we were on our devices in the first place. When was the last time you were able to patiently wait in line at the supermarket or anywhere, passing time without the need to check your phone? I'm guilty as charged. So let me tell you a little bit about the brain reset. Many of us need structure for our minds. Our ADHD program is not only for children, but just as effective, if not more, for our adults. If you're someone in need of brain reboot, we encourage you to make an appointment with our brain health specialist, Leslie Lipsius, to follow a protocol using interactive metronome to begin to rewire your brain to have quicker response time, focus, and control. Our patients are noticing significant improvement in memory recall, information processing, and focus. When we're able to strengthen the signals of synapses in our brain, or signals, it boosts the capability exponentially. So retraining our brain by strengthening its focus muscle is what our interactive metronome does. It's so worth your while to reset your brain to get sharper despite aging. Imagine being able to focus on a task and getting things done in one sitting rather than thinking or buffering. Think about a computer with many apps and tabs open. When trying to make it do something, it buffers for a long time and your computer freezes, right? It thinks longer and longer and slows down its ability to perform the tasks. This is because it's got too much input and not able to have sufficient output. That's largely our brains today. But what's miraculous about our brain is that we can reset and rewire to strengthen the muscles and build resilience. Our brain can be challenged to perform at its optimal output. The more we do, the better our brain gets. It has the potential for super output. So if you're interested in getting smarter, more productive, and have more focus, or if you're interested in this for your child, check out our brain health program today. Thank you so much for listening. Please subscribe to our newsletter on alkalinewellness.com and our YouTube channel, Dr. Connie Jian. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram at Alkaline Wellness. See you guys next time.